Hello friends, now we are going to talk about the events or timing during the fault clearing process. Now what will happen when the fault is occur at anywhere in the power system, immediately relay is going to sense the fault. The moment when relay sense the fault, it will send command to the circuit breaker and circuit breaker will open the contact. While it opening, there will be a arc forming, and when arc is formed, then there are the various means for extinguish the arc, like if air is going to utilize for extinguish the arc, so that will be the air circuit breaker. If oil is going to utilize for quenching the arc, that will be oil circuit breaker. If you are using SF6 gas or vacuum circuit breaker, vacuum as a mean for quenching the arc, so accordingly the name is given vacuum circuit breaker, SF6 circuit breaker. So friends, in all this particular process, what is the actual timing? So if you look at the particular slide, so here the actual fault clearing time is nothing but the time taken by the relay and the time taken by the circuit breaker. So the total time is nothing but the time taken by the relay, and time taken by the circuit breaker is nothing but the total fault clearing time. Whereas the actual, what is the relay time? The relay time is nothing but the instant from where the fault is initiated, from that instant to the contact of the relay when it is going to close. Why the contact of the relay is going to close? Because relay has to send command to the circuit breaker. For that reason it will close the contact. So till this particular timing, this is nothing but the relay timing. And what is the circuit breaker timing? The moment when relay send command to the circuit breaker by closing the relay contact, immediately contact of the circuit breaker will open. As the circuit breaker having the two contact, one is the fixed contact, another is the moving contact. So the moving contact will separate from the fixed contact. While it opening, there will be arc is going to form, and the arc, till the persistence of the arc, you cannot say the circuit breaker has done its work. So the circuit breaker medium will try to quench the arc, and when the arc is going to quench, again due to the rate of rise of restriking voltage, again arc is going to form, again arc is going to quench, again arc is going to form. So this process is will occur for few seconds, for few milliseconds, few microseconds. It depends upon the which type of circuit breaker we are going to utilize. And when finally arc is going to extinguish, that time we can say this is the timing of circuit breaker.